Welcome back. In this video I'm going to cover off the Qwickbuild range of screws. We've got 4 screws here, the A401, 402, A403 and A404. You're familiar with the A401s. These are our most common screw. They come in a box of 50 and this box is then included with our box of components. So you very rarely have to order any more of these or calculate these. They're all supplied with the components. You get 20% extra screws than what you need, so you've got plenty there. Let's have a look at some of these attributes. So if I open this up, it's got a 3/8 head driver, so that fits nicely into our driver here, and that driver is found in the A420 driver pack. The other thing about the screw is that it has a rubber shoulder washer. It has an aggressive thread for biting into aluminium nicely, and it's got a self-drilling tip there. So what's the difference between this A401 screw and the 402? Well, essentially this is just a longer screw. It's exactly the same, but it's 1.25 inches or 30 mils. Right, let's take a look at the A403 screw and the A404 screw. Most importantly, the difference between the ones that I just spoke about is the type of tip that it has. So the 401 and the 402 have a self-drilling tip, and the 403 and the 404 have a self-cutting tip. So you can see that there. Right, but it has all the same attributes. It's got the same driver head, it's got the same rubber washer, it's got the same aggressive thread there. So the A404 screws are typically used for attaching the solid blocking to the framing. So they're a longer screw. They're a 5-inch screw, 130 mils long, and we use them for attaching the solid blocking to the framing that's used for, say, picture frames, breaker boards, and also putting in the blocking for railing systems. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.